Hey guys, welcome to Crocheting. Today in this video, I present to you some beautiful crochet handbag designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet handbag is a type of bag made using the crochet technique, which involves creating fabric by interlocking lobes of yarn, thread, or other materials with a hooked needle, called a crochet hook. These handbags are popular for their handmade charm, versatility, and unique textures and patterns. The features of a crochet handbag, handcrafted, often made by hand, which adds a personal and artisanal touch. Materials commonly made with cotton, jute, wool, raffia, or synthetic yarns. Designs can range from simple and minimal to intricate and decorative, with patterns like granny scars, shells, lace stitches, or floral motifs. Styles includes tote bags, crossbody bags, clouches, shoulder bags, and even beach or market bags. Embellishments may be added with buttons, beads, tassels, wooden handles, or linings for added style and functionality. Popular uses: casual everyday wear, boho or vintage inspired fashion, beach or summer outings, eco-friendly shopping bags, handmade gifts or fashion statements. Here are some helpful tips for making or styling crochet handbags, whether you are a beginner or just looking to improve your skills or style. Tips for making a crochet handbag. First, choose the right yarn. Use a sturdy like cotton, jute, raffia, or nylon for durability. Avoid stretchy or soft yarns like acrylic or wool, unless the bag is for light use. Use a smaller hook. Use a slightly smaller hook than recommended to create a tighter, firmer stitch. This prevents the bag from sagging and helps hold it shape. Reinforce the structure. Add a fabric lining to prevent stretching and keep small items inside. Use interfacing or cardboard insert for more shape, especially at the base or sides. Consider adding plastic canvas or even crocheting over rope for a frame structure. Choose strong handles. Use wooden rings, leather straps, or crocheted handles with choke inside for durability. Sew or attach them securely. Double sticks are reinforced with extra backing. Add closures. Add a zipper, magnetic snaps, or button flap to secure your belongings. A drawstring closer using a cord or chain also works well for boho styles. Practice good finishing, weaving all ends carefully. Lock the finished bag if needed. To shape it, consider adding a personal label or tag if you are gifting or selling it. Styling tips for crochet handbags. Boho vibes. Pair crocheted bags with flowy dresses, mixes skirts, sandals, and fringe accessories. Earthy tones like beige, olive, or burnt orange look great for a boho style. Winter's cottage style is floral, lace-like, or granny scar designs in soft pastels or cream tones. Match it or linen or cotton outfits for timeless cottage core look. Beach or summer look, use raffia yarn or a straw-like effect. Go for tortoise shapes and pair with swimwear, sunglasses, and summer hats. Everyday casual, neutral colored crochet bags, tan, gray, black. Go well with jeans, t-shirts, and sneakers. Choose a simple, functional design with a shoulder or crossbody strap. Advanced tips for making crochet handbags. Use a strong base, create a tight single crochet base, or use fox leather, wood, or plastic base insert with holes for a solid foundation. A flat and free base helps the bag stand up on its own and carry more weight. Experiment with textures, mix different stitches like bubble, puff, moss, or basket weave for visual interest. Add crocheted appliques with flowers, leaves, or motifs to personalize your bag. Secure your shims. Double stitch handles and side shims. Use invisible joints to make seams look cleaner. Consider lining the inside with strong fabric like canvas or denim for durability and aesthetics. Add pockets. Sew or crochet small interior or exterior pockets for organizing small items like keys or phones. Lined pockets work best for sturdiness. Decorate creatively. Use wooden buttons, beads, pinches, roses, mimicry tassels, or embroidery. Crochet a matching or constructing flower pin to adjust. Add a chain strap for a modern twist. Think about weight distribution. Reinforce the area where the handles adjust, especially for bigger bags. Spread out the stitches or straps meet the bag body for better balance. Consider color planning. Use color blocking, stripes, or ombre yarn for a stylish look. Neutral shades are timeless, but bold colors or seasonal tones, pastels for spring, earthy tones for fall, can make your bag stand out. More styling ideas for crochet handbags at the season, spring or summer. Use light yellows and bright or pastel colors paired with cotton or linen outfits. I think these ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel.